Australia. Today we are going to learn how to tie a pareo. Yes, so a pareo, as you can see, is a piece of cloth that can be printed or not, and we use this in Polynesian islands for different purposes. So the first purpose is a piece of cloth, so we can literally wear this and tie it like a dress or a top and go out with the pareo. Alright, the second purpose is for dancing, so we can use the pareo and tie it in different ways for our beautiful dances. And last but not least, we use pareo for home, so we can cover our furnitures, like you can put a beautiful pareo on your sofa and so on. Okay, for my newbies here, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, you know what to do. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get my latest videos. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Let's do with the style number 1 that is actually for dancing. So grab your short pareo like this, and you are going to put it on your hip level, on your hip bones. Grab the short side to the back and drag more fabric in the front, like this. So to the back, less fabric, and to the front, you grab more fabric. You need to align your pareo on your hip bones, like this. So make a straight line, and we are going to tie our pareo in a double knot. Grab the short pieces and make a double knot. Make sure that you are doing a really small knot, like this. Tie it very well, and then with the leftover of fabric here, you're going to tuck it inside in a neat way. Do it neatly and arrange the side like this. Make sure that your pareo is straight in the front and the back. So arrange it so that it makes a straight line, so that your hip motions are very obvious. There you go, that's your style number 1. Style number 2, still for dancing. We are going to grab a long pareo like this, fold it in two on the width, and you will have the dead end here. So grab that part towards the dead end and make one knot here. Pull, and there you go. So from here, open the pareo and wrap it around your hip bones. Again, the same as before, hip bones. And you are going to tie on the side in a nice double knot so that it will not fall. Make sure that it's secured and tight enough. Now we are going to roll all around the front and the back in a very neat way. So make sure that when you roll, you grab the same amount of fabric at each time so that it's the same size for your roll to look neat. You need to roll your pareo all the way until it reaches the knees level. Pull neatly on the side. You can hide the gap so that it covers the whole body. And that's it. That's your style number 2. Make sure to check that front and back gives a neat rolling and makes a straight line. There you go. So let's go for style number 3. Style number 3 is to fold the pareo like a long skirt. So fold your pareo in two on the width side and then turn it the other way, and you can arrange the length wrap around your hips and check that the length is reaching your ankles and your hip bones level. So here, do a double knot on the side, secure it, make sure it's tight enough, and that's it. You can open the gap here a little bit more so that you have a nice, beautiful opening for your dancing, just like this, or you can pull it more inside. So make sure the back is straight always, that you have a straight line. There you go. And that's it. You have your style number 3. Style number 4. It's actually going to be like a dress. This is a very common way to tie a pareo. So grab it on the width side. So wrap it from behind like this. Make sure that you have equal amount of fabric. And you are just going to pull the 2 edges and tie it behind your back, behind your neck, and make a double knot so it's secured. There you go. Arrange the front part so it looks neat, and that's it. You have your style number 4, which looks like a dress. So this is a variation of the previous style that we just did. We're going to do the same. Wrap it behind your back, hold the 2 edges, and this time you are going to roll it, make it long and nice like this, and tie it behind your neck 2 times so it's secured. And so it looks like this from the front. Our last style is going to be a beautiful tube dress that you can wear for dancing or going out. And it goes like this. Grab your pareo on the longer length. Go behind your back like this. And you are going to grab the 2 ends and tie it above your chest level. Make sure it's secured and tight, and make a double knot, strong double knot. From here, you grab the fabric around your waist level. Make sure to make the fabric looking straight like this, front and back. Pull the fabric so it looks neat, and grab enough fabric to make another knot, a double knot, 1 time and 2 times. Arrange the fabric neatly. Pull the fabric so that it makes a straight line on the top and bottom, so it looks like this from the back. And there you go, you have a beautiful dress.
Well done! Congratulations on today's pareo tying class. How did it go from your side? Please comment below. Tell me how fun it was for you to try on these different pareo styles, and if you managed to do it. Okay, so I'm sending you all big kisses, and feel free to check out more of my classes. You have the link below, TahitianDanceFitness.com. Never forget, you are super awesome, and see you all